If you're not doing this with your money, you're already falling behind. No matter how much money you earn, if your money's not working for you, then guess what? You're working harder, not smarter. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing so you can stop surviving and finally start building wealth. Let me tell you the harsh truth. You're stuck in a cycle. Earn, spend, repeat. Maybe you're saving a bit, or maybe you're trying to pay off a debt. This is good, but your money is not growing. You're falling behind. And prices of rent, food are going up due to inflation. Saving alone won't save you anymore. The money that you save today will be worth less tomorrow if you don't put it to work. So what actually should you be doing? Let me break it down. Because if you're not doing these three things, you're not building wealth. You're preserving it at its best. Number one, if you're not investing, you're standing still. You don't need thousands. You can start as little as £50 a month into an index fund. It doesn't have to be £50, it can be less than that. Historically, the stock markets return around 7 to 10% over the long term every year. And apps like Vanguard, Trading 212 makes this simpler. The second thing I want you to do is automating your money. You shouldn't have to think about moving your money every single month. Set an automatic transfer. For example, payday comes, money goes into bills, savings and investing automatically. And then what's left is yours to spend. This is called paying yourself first. And this is what most financially successful people do. The third thing I want you to do is for you to track your net worth, not just your income. Here's the truth. It's not how much you make. It's how much you get to keep and grow. You can earn 100k and still be broke if you spend it all. Start tracking your net worth so your asset minus your liability. You can use Excel to keep an eye on it every month. Now let's talk about why this matters more than ever. You see, right now everything is changing fast. AI is coming for jobs, rent is going up, so you can't afford to ignore your money anymore. If you're not building multiple streams of income from investment, side hustles or assets, then you're relying on one paycheck in a planet that's becoming more expensive every single year. People that are getting ahead, they're not always smarter. They're just using their money differently. So if you've been waiting for the right time to take control of your money, this is it. Start small, be consistent, and then let your money work for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.